Good morning, Accelerated Biology students. Mr. Adair here, and I just wanted to go through today's assignment on cancer research. This is assignment number 2, I believe, the cancer computer activity assignment, where you will go to www.cancer.org and choose a type of cancer to research and get some more background information. Now this web page has changed slightly, so please pay attention to this video, and I will do my best to navigate through it. Let's see here. The first part of this is the do now is talking about growth factors. Cells release chemical signals that tell other cells to grow. For example, growth factors are a broad group of proteins that stimulate cell division. So I'm reading from the very top of the assignment right now. Under normal conditions, cells will grow and divide at a healthy rate. What happens when cells grow uncontrolled? And that's when, if you think back to yesterday's lesson, learning about it, that's when we're going to get the tumor. And so you could talk a little bit about that in this week's assignment. Now, going back to when you're actually doing the computer lab assignment, it doesn't say this straight up on here. Go to cancer A to Z on the upper left. If you go to this icon, cancer A to Z, it's going to bring you to this drop-down menu, and you're going to want to start by going to Cancer Basics. And Cancer Basics will bring you to this over here on the left, what is cancer? And that's where you can use this information to answer the very first part. So you have to read through a little bit, but as you can see, they discuss benign versus malignant tumors and what causes cancer, and you can always go back to this to learn more about it. So the next thing you do after you do the basics of cancer, let's see, I'm gonna switch to my next slide here. You will need to decide on a specific type of cancer that you're interested in researching. You can go back to this cancer A to Z, which is going to bring up a whole bunch of different types of cancers, and you can look at some of these basic ones that are common. These are all very common types of cancer on this front page, and maybe you want to do that because you know someone that's had this type of cancer. But if you go to view all cancer types, it's really going to give you a large list here. Now, I recommend that you maybe choose a type of cancer that is a little bit more common, or at least one that has information that you can gather. Some of the much more rare types of cancer, they don't know exactly ways to maybe prevent it and other details because it's so rare. All right, in summary, you're going to go to www.cancer.org, and the first thing you do is go to Cancer A to Z, go to your Cancer Basics and learn about the basics, and then decide on a type of cancer that you want to research. And that is where you'll get the information for Tuesday's assignment. All right, send me an email, or we can schedule a Google Meet too. Also, I'll be in our Google Meet today at 11:40 a.m. if you want to stop by. Thanks.